everybody, welcome back to my channel Plant of Arts, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple wall hanging craft. So let's get started. So the things you need to do this are a white paper and a newspaper and paint. These are the three things you need to do this. The first step you need to do is take a newspaper like this. Take a newspaper of length 7" and width 7.5, and take a stick or a painting brush like this and roll it like this. Okay, then at the end point of it, stick glue. Okay, take it like this. Okay, then you need to cut the two end points like this. Okay, so like this you need to make 6 paper sticks and make a frame like this. Okay, make a frame like this. Next, you need to take a white paper like this and draw a leaf like this. Okay, then cut this out. Like this, you need to make 6 leaves like this. Then take the frame. Okay, take this frame and add some glue on this side. Stick it on all the sides, or stick it on all the sides of this frame. Okay, so I have sticked all these leaves. Then you need to make 3 flowers like this. I'm not showing you how to make these flowers because I have already done a video on making this rose flower. So if you don't have seen that, the link is in the description below. You can check it out and look how to make this rose flower. Okay, so now take the glue and add glue here and stick 1 flower on here. Okay, stick 1 flower on here and stick another 2 flowers here. So I have sticked all these flowers and let it dry for some time. Okay, so it has dried and I have sticked all the 3 flowers. Then you need to paint this. Okay, so I have painted this thing. I have painted this. So if you have pearls, you can also stick it on the sides of it for decoration, and you can stick it inside the flowers also. So this is the wall hanging craft that I have made. So I hope that everybody liked my video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.